Hey guys, I'm back for another unboxing for you guys, and today's unboxing is going to be Escape from New York on Blu-ray. Now this is the Blu-ray and DVD of this set. So, this movie, I bet you know it's from 1980 or 81, maybe 80. So this is the front cover of this one I seen. And it's 2 ways to watch. One great price, Blu-ray and DVD of this set. And I'm cool with that, but I haven't watched this movie, but I'm gonna watch this movie really soon. So I'm gonna be able to watch this. So I had to go mid. So I had to be sure that I have a DVD player to watch, or a Blu-ray player, so find out. So here's the spine, Escape from New York. There's Kurt Russell on it. There's the back. I think the last Blu-ray and DVD I got was Invasion of the Body Snatchers. So that was the Blu-ray I got because I've watched Invasion of the Body Snatchers on Blu-ray. So 2-disc set. Really cool. And it's a 1981. Okay, you know what? It is 1981. So, basically I'll be cool with that when I check this out on Blu-ray or DVD, but I could be sure about that, so yeah. So let's open it. I'm gonna open the plastic very careful. Take this plastic off very careful. I think I can try it from here. Can I? Come on. This is stupid. Dang it. Wait, oh, I got it. I think I got it. Oh my gosh, it's going off really good. I think I got it. Yay. Alright. Security strip coming off, so let's get this off. So, dang it. Are you serious right now? You're not coming up. Dang it, you stupid security strip. Are you serious? Dang it. Oh, that's better. Alright, there we go. That's more like it. So, alright, let's open this up. Ooh, looks like this disc is fell out or something, so that's okay. It's alright guys, I'll be sure. So let's grab a look. Here's the Blu-ray for Escape from New York. Nice artwork. I love it. And here's the DVD disc right here. Side A is the widescreen, and side B is a full screen side. Yep, that's right. But I think I might know. So, if you guys know, I will check this out on DVD. So, if you guys want to vote, so just vote for this. Will I watch this in widescreen or full screen? So, let me guys know in the comment what I need to watch. So, will I watch this in full screen or widescreen? So, comment on it, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so I'll see you guys later till the next video. Bye.